Hello, how are you all doing today? Welcome to today's class. This is Arun Raj. In today's class, we are going to learn about the topic nutrient cycling or biogeochemical cycle. Nutrient cycling is defined as the movement of nutrients through the various components of an ecosystem is called nutrient cycling. It is also called as biogeochemical cycle. Based on the reservoir of nutrients, the nutrient cycling are classified into two types. First one is gaseous and second one is sedimentary. The reservoir of gaseous nutrient cycles exist in the atmosphere, for example, carbon and nitrogen cycle. The reservoir for the sedimentary nutrient cycle exists in the Earth's crust, for example, sulfur phosphorus cycle. One more definition is also here, and it is standing state. It is defined as the total amount of various nutrients like nitrogen, carbon, phosphorus, calcium present in the soil at any given time is referred to as the standing state. It varies in different kinds of ecosystem and also on a seasonal basis. The environmental factors only responsible for the rate of release of nutrients into the atmosphere, and the reservoir functions to meet with the deficit occurring due to imbalance between influx and efflux. In this class, we are going to learn about the carbon cycle. Most of the chemicals that make up living tissues contain carbon. When organisms die, the carbon is recycled so that it can be used by future generations. The movement of carbon through the various components of ecosystem is called as carbon cycle. And this carbon cycle can be explained in 6 steps. Step 1. The carbon enters the atmosphere as carbon dioxide as a result of respiration and combustion. Step 2. Carbon dioxide is absorbed by the producers for photosynthesis to make up carbohydrates. Step 3. Animals feed on the producers. The food chain causes carbon to move along various trophic levels. Most of the carbon consumed is exhaled as carbon dioxide during the process respiration. The animals and plants eventually die. Step 4. The dead organisms are broken down by decomposers. This causes the carbon in their bodies to be returned to the atmosphere as carbon dioxide. In some extraordinary conditions, decomposition is blocked. The plant and animal material may then be turned to fossil fuel for use in the future for combustion. Step 5. Marine animals may convert some of the carbon in their diet to calcium carbonate, which is then used to make the shells for their bodies. Over time, these shells of dead organisms collect on the seabed and form limestone. Due to various activities and movements of the earth, these limestones may eventually become exposed to the air where it is subjected to weathering. This causes the carbon to be released back into the atmosphere as carbon dioxide. Volcanic action may also release carbon dioxide. Step 6. Human activities have significantly influenced carbon cycle. Rapid deforestation and massive burning of fossil fuels have increased the rate of release of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. If you have any doubts in this class, please leave your comments. See you in the next class. Never stop learning.